Yo, what's up guys, John here. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Coto Movies even though it was taken down. I found a free way to do it. The site backed it up and they actually have the latest version of Coto Movies before they went down. All you want to do is go grab your phone. You want to go to odexgen.com/COTO movies. No, not newbies, movies. Guys, follow all the instructions in this video and within 5 minutes you have Coto Movies and you can get back to watching movies all you want. Just go to that website. Now all you want to do is connect your Apple ID and Google Play account below. So right here you just want to type in your Apple ID if you're on Apple and Google Play if you're on Android. And then you want to select what device you're on this device right here that you're going to be downloading it. I'm on Apple. Okay. Select the version of Coto Movies you want. There's different versions. Obviously you want to select the latest version new. For some reason if that one doesn't work, go with that one. But this one worked fine for me. Just press continue. Now just let it generate the actual download link for you. It's just going to take a minute or so. It's going to verify your Apple ID. It's going to do all of that. Now bear in mind guys, since Coto Movies got taken down, the servers are way more secure and they're being like very cautious from letting people download this app. So you do have to do like a human verification step. It works perfectly fine. This is the only website I've personally tried that works. Well, not tried. This is the only website that I've personally done that successfully worked compared to other ones. So right here it says your Coto Movies download is ready. We just need to make sure you're a human, not a bot. Please pass your human verification so we can generate your Coto Movies download. Click verify now. Now what's gonna happen right here is they just want to verify that you're human. You know those like boxes where it says like type in the letters or like select the amount of dogs in the picture. Same exact thing. This one's a little bit more complex since they're being more secure. All you need to do is download and open 2 apps on this page and it'll fully verify that you're human. Now I've already done this before, so it's, when I download them it's just gonna say open, okay? But you want to click on one app, tap to install, find this app on the App Store. It says download the Zynga app, and just give it a second. You gotta find the Zynga app. You see right there, it's already downloaded. It doesn't say get. I just gotta open it, and then you tap around for 30 seconds. Now, you want to do this with 2 apps. You go back to your Safari, right? That's one app. You gotta tap around it for 30 seconds. I'm not gonna do it again. There's no point. And then you click on a second app. Tap to install. They're free apps. They're not gonna cost you anything. See, I already downloaded it, so I'd open it again. That's how you guys know I've done this before. And you just tap around for 30 seconds. Now, after you're done, what's gonna happen is it's gonna say successful. I mean, after you download and open the 2 apps, obviously, it's gonna say successful. Here's your download link. You click on a download link. It's gonna redirect you to another store, and you just download it right off there. It's super simple, guys. This is the only way to get Coto Movies right now that I found as of September 15, 2019. Go to the website, verify that you're human, and then click the download link it generates after you verified and finish the human verification process. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment. If you guys need help, let me know in the comments. I'll help you guys out, no problem. Enjoy your Coto Movies. I'm loving it. I'll see you guys in the next video.